I've known nothing but being in agriculture my whole life. My whole family, of course, being in ag, we're Clemson people. So just seemed a natural fit to go to Clemson and major in animal science. And it was there that I met my husband. Even though we both have roots in agriculture, we're a little bit unique in that we're a startup first-generation farm. We had very little money, a little white house, and 3 kids that were less than 5. So they have totally grown up with this farm and been here every step of the way with us. It's been really neat for us as parents to raise them in an environment that taught them about work ethic and an appreciation for where food comes from and appreciation for the land and the livestock, and that it's really our responsibility as stewards to leave it in better shape for the next generation. And it's just been a really fabulous journey that continues every day because of the generosity and kindness of people in this business.